How to link bank account with PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account with your PrizePicks account. So as you can see that I'm in the PrizePicks website on the official article page, and here when you will scroll down you will see the process of instant bank transfer. So in which these are the steps that you have to follow in order to link your bank account. So in order to make instant bank transfer quick and easy, so you have to input your deposit amount and click on instant bank transfer, and it will take you to the page and a secure window where you have to select your bank and type in your online banking username and password and select the banking account you would like to connect to PrizePicks, and then verify all the information whether they are correct or not, and then click on confirm deposit. So this is how simple it is to connect your bank account with your PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.